Hey everyone, this is Chef Chopra. Welcome to the Perfect for Dad recipe. Today, we're gonna make a perfect dish for Father's Day, the misunderstood dad platter. And for that, you will need and a big bowl of biases against fathers. Now take a non-stick pan and learn from it. Don't let unnecessary opinions stick to you. If you want a longer paternity leave, take it. Now take oil and heat it slightly, but never get slighted by comments like, "Dads and feeding? Aren't they impatient? Fathers and cleaning? Dads are never interested in PTAs." Slice some green chilies and put it in hot oil. And whilst you're at it, slice away all that dad guilt when you juggle between responsibilities at work and childcare. Now add some sliced onions and let it simmer. But don't let self-doubt and comparisons ever simmer within you. Now add the sausages. Toss this well and also toss away all the recipes of the Society of a Perfect Father. This is done. Now let's prepare all the ready-to-cook snacks. Now take a tray which is as big as your beautiful heart and dish it all together. Don't worry if it's a little messy, just like how parenting could be. And add your favorite condiments. Now serve this and enjoy with your family on Father's Day.